Shades of Summer by Purple Event presents a 2-day show today and tomorrow at Bohemian Gallery, and the collection has everything from festive wear to summer wear. We also have 2 different types of jewelry, a unique handmade jewelry and then brass jewelry. Also we have some nice chikankari like what I'm wearing. We have lovely summer dresses, we have kaftans and a lot more. So yes, do visit here. Baki collection देखने के लिए swipe left. This brand Karikala Pure Lucknowi collection.
Hi, we have muslin crop tops. We have options in modal satin and cord sets. We have something for wedding trousseaux.
Okay.
We have different options in Mal Chanderi with different color contrasting palette. We have 3 sets in cotton, pure cotton sets. And then we have some chikankari dresses as well in muslin and in coated orient.
Right. I made this starting off with the summer collection. First we have some nice short tops. Then we have some kalamkari tops. Cute. Then we have bandhani shirts. Pretty. And something like this in soft fabric. We also have cord sets. Clam print. Long kurta set. Yes, this is label Anu.
Hi, so we have a summer collection and we have a Indian collection as well. So for summer collection, we have nice patchwork pieces. Also, we have cutwork pieces. And we do have a kota dori pieces with a printed lining with a cute summery effects. And we also do customizing in all colors. Like every pieces can be customized in any colors.
And size.
Yeah, any sizes.
So this is brand Satrang, and you can get outfits what they are wearing. It's totally customizable. They also have some menswear here. These are some menswear. Okay, can we see some new pieces?
Yeah. So we have in cotton linens and muslins. And we have the colors that are inspired through sunset and sunrise, but we can customize it in the colors that we have. Then we also have corsets, we have shorts, and everything is like hand embroidered.
So this is label Shruti. We have quad sets with pants. Pants may be detailing are very pretty. These are also all quads, front and back detailing, very pretty. Then these are all dresses, perfect fabrics, cute. And then we have more cute dresses in linen. These are pure linen?
Yes.
Another color. See, all cute dresses. Hello, your brand name?
Hi, we are from World of Tani and we have festive wear.
Yes.
We have kurtas with lot of layers. We have kaftans
Kaftans in tissue.
in pure tissue.
Okay.
We have Mal Chanderi suits.
Nice.
These are kurtas and dupattas. We can do pants if needed.
Okay.
Then we are kota doria suits. They are all kota tissue suits with handwork. Then we have the Marodi work suits.
Full handwork on like the Abha style.
Yeah.
Pretty.
Then we have suits with handwork on. We have sarees.
Sarees. This is brand Blossom. Yes.
We have 3-piece summer sets. As you can see the detailing. We can customize also. We do have sizes.
Yes.
You can see this one.
Nice.
Plain dress with a printed dupatta. This is with contrasting dupatta. Then we have summer cord sets. This is a 3-piece pants, bustier and short. Color customization is available. Again, this is skirts. Then we have some dresses.
So this is brand Beyond Basic, and they have all white collection with detailing. Cute. Look at these 2-piece sets. There's something with shirts. Okay. This is like an Angrakha pattern. We have this one. Oh wow, love that. This is also very. So Vadilal is also launching their new flavors: fresh jamun, peppery cashew, biscoff and salted caramel. You can get it here. They have their own stall here. Check these out. And you can it. These are the new flavors. This is labeled Priyanka, love what she's wearing. We also have colors in that. These are pure silk suits.
We have anarkalis.
Anarkalis, okay.
These are our best-selling shirts,
Best-selling shoes, okay.
which ranges from 1990.
So this is brand an Indian Miraki. These are all handmade jewelry. Look at these. She's also wearing one. Yeah, neck pieces like these. Beautiful. And these are the rings. We have bracelets here. Only earrings. Watch charm. It will look something like that. So this is brand Anbe Jewels and they have beautiful collection in brass jewelry. We have something with stones. We have cuffs, earrings. These are all anti-tarnish. These are with cute earrings and we have stone jewelry. Pretty rings and earrings. And then we have buns, hair buns. So this is brand Weave Story and they have beautiful dresses first, all Samri print and fabric, yes. And then
We have cords.
cord sets with bands,
Yes, they come with coordinated pants.
pretty
Then we have something in long also.
long cords,
Yes, they come with stripes bottom.
striped bottom, okay.
Then we have our linen collection,
Linen.
which we have waistcoat pattern. They come with pleat